go to appearance, yes, appearance. In appearance, go to menu and see there is your menu. Okay, so the menu is light, and there is flight, add menu. Where you want to show the menu? Tour, no, tour, hotel, about us, download. Tour, hotel, about us, download, and flight. If you want to take the flight is here, then flight will display in here. Otherwise, tour, hotel, flight. Okay, you can tour, flight, hotel. Okay, make save menu. Yeah, menu has been saved. Refresh this page and you can see tour, flight, hotel, about us, and download. If you click on flight, see guys, this page has been displayed. Okay, and your flight is showing result more than 17 flight every day from Mumbai to Dubai. Okay, Mumbai, India, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport to Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Okay, you can also make more pages. So now go to again page, go to flight, click on edit to WP Bakery page builder, okay guys, click on plus, click on raw, then click on HTML raw, select it and delete, and go to travel payout and make another one from Delhi to any airport, Del to GHGAU, Del to Guwahati. If you want any airline code, then enter it, otherwise left it blank and copy. Click on copy, go to website, paste it here and click on save change. Okay, design option, you can select any background color. This is the background color. Yeah, okay, background color, this one. Click save change, update this page and go to your home page, flight page, and refresh the page. Okay, this is your page, this one. So guys, this is your flight page, and if you want the flight page any other look, then you can easily make it.
Okay friend, as you can watch a total video, and I think you already know that how can you create this one. So if you feel the video is good for you, that please subscribe my YouTube channel and tell any other person from your relative to subscribe my channel, and please write text in comment box